Hello, Kano. Where are the elites, politicians, businessmen and women, actors and actresses, manyan mata masu capacity, 'yan gayu, wanda ba su siyan cosmetics a Nigeria? Dandu Cosmetics is here. At Dandu Cosmetics, we have different kinds of lotions and creams for dry skin, oily skin, sensitive skin, and for those with a specific benefit for smooth, brightening and anti-aging. We have supplements for hips enlargement, Desire Beauty Skin, Samira Toning Milk, Makari Soft Lotions, and other supplements, combination of healthy care. We also assemble Bryce Trousseau Kayan Leafy, a collection of household materials, shoes and bags for special occasion and events, room freshener of different kinds, electrical boxes that you can charge all your devices while traveling. Dandu Cosmetics at number 1 Tarauni Market before Madalla Suya Sport. At Dandu Cosmetics, we accept part payment for Trousseau Kayan Levy. Dandu Cosmetics, the far is near at affordable prices.